Okay, children, welcome to the Unit of Inquiry class. Remember that we are learning new things. And here, I would like to ask you if you know where products come from. And I would like to know also if you know the process of products or how products are made. Do you think, children, that pizza comes from a tree? Or maybe the slime comes from an apple? Well, or do you think that maybe the pizza needs a process, or you need to follow steps, or you need also to know the ingredients to make a pizza? Well, now it's your turn. What are you going to do? In CISO, you are going to teach us, as the chefs you are or you became yesterday, how or which is the process of tuna sandwich. And you design, we have an activity in CISO that you can complete, okay? But before that, we are going to see and continue learning about products. Where do products come from? Maybe if you think about that, do they come from a tree? Is there a pizza tree, for example? Or is there I don't know. So maybe you can help me with that. Let's get a little bit curious. For example, about honey. Which is the process of honey? Okay, let's reflect about these questions. Where, here you can stop the video and talk about this with your parents. Where do you go shopping with your parents? And what kind of products do you buy? And where do you think these products come from? So you can take a few minutes in order to reflect about these questions, 3 questions. Just talk with your family members. Let's see. There are different types of stores. For example, you can find in Bogota or around here, you can find supermarkets, and usually where you can usually buy food or care and cleaning products. So these supermarkets are Carulla, Éxito, Jumbo, Olímpica, or something like that. Or maybe you can go to shopping centers or malls. For example, Unicentro, Santa Fe, Andino, or Parque La Colina, or somewhere else. And in these shopping centers, you can find clothes, toys, libraries, shoes, jewelry, food, and much more. Maybe you are not going to shopping centers, but you are looking for specific stores. These stores are just centered on the kind of product they are selling. For example, H&M, that is specialized in clothes, Adidas for tennis shoes, Panamericana is also a specific store where you can find books or magazines or notebooks or something like that. Of course, or Lego. I imagine you focus your eyes on Lego. Yeah, I know that you love Lego toys. Maybe if you are hungry, you go to a specific restaurant. So let's see some examples of restaurants. McDonald's, Baskin Robbins, Chuck and Cheese, La Jugueteria, Crepes and Waffles. Maybe you have tried crepes and waffles, or a different, or Jungla Kumba. This is a different restaurant. So let's see. Do you go to these places depending on what you need or what your family needs or wants? So let's think about something else. Do you think that these products go through a process before you buy them? Or if you ask, for example, for a crepe in Crepes and Waffles, do you think that this crepe that you are almost going to eat follows a process, or just it is like magic that it appears on a plate or something like that? Well, let's see. I invite you to watch a video or some examples of how some products are made. In this specific time, you are going to watch a video about building blocks, because all of you have played with building blocks, yeah, like Lego blocks, okay? After that, you are going to complete the activity that we designed for you. It is inciso. And what are you going to do? First, here you are going to organize or order the process of tuna sandwich. In exercise number 2, you're going to put inside the circle the ingredients that you use in order to prepare the tuna sandwich, okay? And in number 3, you are going to match which product comes from a specific raw material. So, for example, canned tuna comes from a fish, okay? So, and after that, you are going to upload inciso and show me the results. Remember, little and beautiful kids, I love you so much, and I really happy teaching you about this new unit of inquiry. See you later. Bye.